Best car rental in Auckland Airport. Hi, in this video, I will be recommending you the 3 best and biggest car rental platforms. After watching this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. The 3 best car rental platforms are rentalcars.com, discovercars.com, and economybookings.com. Rentalcars.com have over 155,000 reviews on Trustpilot with a rating of 2.1 out of 5. Discovercars.com have over 209,000 reviews on Trustpilot with a rating of 4.6 out of 5. And economybookings.com have over 104,000 reviews on Trustpilot with a rating of 4.5 out of 5. Rentalcars.com have cars for rent in over 60,000 locations worldwide. Their website gets over 5.6 million users per month according to SimilarWeb. DiscoverCars.com have cars for rent in over 10,000 locations worldwide. Their website gets over 2.8 million users per month according to SimilarWeb. And EconomyBookings.com have cars for rent in over 20,000 locations worldwide. Their website gets over 1.4 million users per month according to SimilarWeb. Even though the ratings of rentalcars.com on Trustpilot is only 2.1, this website is one of the biggest platforms with the largest amount of users. All the three platforms are reliable, and booking through any of them is generally fine. We recommend choosing the one that offers the best rental rate. Later in this video, I'll compare car rental prices in Auckland Airport and highlight which platform provides the lowest rate. Simply go with the one that gives you the best deal. The year they are founded. Rentalcars.com was founded in 2004, DiscoverCars.com was founded in 2013, and EconomyBookings.com was founded in 2008. A random review posted on Trustpilot for rental cars. Shabir Galabaywala says, excellent experience. The delivery process was smooth and the staff was very cooperative. Date of experience, December 13, 2022. A random review posted on Trustpilot for Discover Cars. Sarah Batuhar says, good, very good company. Date of experience, July 14, 2025. A random review posted on Trustpilot for economy bookings. Carol says, excellent experience, easy to navigate, good explanation. Date of experience, July 15, 2025. The lowest price for renting a car for one day in Auckland Airport on rental cars is $16.67 per day when booked for 3 days. Total is $50 for 3 days. You will get Toyota Beats. Gear type is automatic. The lowest price for renting a car for one day in Auckland Airport on Discover Cars is $6.24 per day when booked for 3 days. Total is $18.71 for 3 days. You will get Suzuki Swift. Gear type is automatic. The lowest price for renting a car for one day in Auckland Airport on economy bookings is $6.44 per day when booked for 3 days. Total is $19.34 for 3 days. You will get Toyota Prius. Gear type is automatic. To summarize the car rental prices for Auckland Airport, on rentalcars.com, it's $16.67 per day. On discovercars.com, it's $6.24 per day. And on economybookings.com, it's $6.44 per day. We are giving all our video viewers 30% cashback when you book the car on any of these three car rental platforms while using our affiliate link. To learn how to get 30% cashback, please go to bestplace-to-rent-a-car.com/cashback. The link is in the video description below. Thanks. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Enjoy your stay while traveling in Auckland. May you be happy and successful. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. Thank you.